Guided Notes, page 5, number 7. So we are solving an equation and we've got fractions. We want to clear our fractions first by multiplying by the LCD, and the least common denominator would be 3 and a p minus 1. So multiply every term on both sides by 3 and a p minus 1. So by the next step, we will not have any fractions. So multiplying the first term, 3's cancel, and you're left with p minus 1 times 3p minus 1. Bring down your minus sign. P minus 1's cancel. 2p times 3 is 6p. Nothing to cancel on the right-hand side. That will be 3p times p minus 1. Now, let's get rid of our parentheses by multiplying. P times 3p is 3p squared. P times negative 1 is negative p. Negative 1 times 3p is negative 3p. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. Minus 6p. Multiply again. 3p squared minus 3p. Now watch. The 3p's cancel. Combine like terms on both sides. Negative 4p plus 1. Oh, hold on. There's some more to combine. That would be negative p minus 3p is negative 4p. Minus 6p would be negative 10p. Bring down the positive 1 equals negative 3p. We're trying to solve for p. I'm going to add 10p to both sides, and that leaves me 1 equals 7p. Divide both sides by 7, and I get 1 over 7 equals p.